Alright, y'all, so we're back, week 3. I'm super excited. We just got our shipment last night in the mail from OverstockCentralFireworks.com. I ordered them through ThunderKingFireworks.com, but I guess it's all the same company. So let's just go ahead and get started and check out the 2021 stash, right? Alright, so for starters, right here is the Dominator Fireworks. This is the Fireworks assortment, Eruption. And this is just going to be a bunch of fountains and daytime stuff for the kids to enjoy. That's pretty basic, simple. Okay, so let's go ahead. I bought these in a 3-pack. So this is from Brothers Fireworks. This is a 25-shot, 200-gram cake, and this is Crimson Bulls. Then the second one in that set is going to be 25-shot, 200 grams, Copper Devils. And the last one in the 3-pack is the 25-shot Sapphire Clan, and those are Brothers, 200 grams. Now this, we have Maddox Rodeo, 8 shots, 200 grams. MadOx, 200 grams, Tangerine Dream, 12 shots. We have ProOx Crackle Finale box, 16 shots. MadOx Reaper Drone, 19 shots, 200 grams. MadOx Dream Team, 20 shots, 200 grams. Now these, I'll go to these first. All right, so MadOx Foxy, 16 shots, 200 grams. MadOx 16 shots, Monkey Wrench, 200 grams. Red Pony Finale box, 16 shots, and this is ProOx, 200 grams. Now these guys, I bought these in a 6-pack. It was fairly cheap, so I decided to check them out. So basically they were $5 a piece. Sunwing Fireworks Sniper, this is 9 shots, and this is supposed to be 200 grams. Same thing, Sunwing Pistols, 9 shots, 200 grams. Exploder, 200 grams. Machine, 200 grams. Hunter, 9 shot, 200 grams. And Persuasion, 9 shot, 200 grams. And then we'll go to this one. So this is 20 shots, 500 grams, Redneck Revenge. This is MadOx Fireworks. Okay, so MadOx Watermelon Moonshine, 500 grams, and this is 7 shots. It says features huge brakes and stuff. Oh, alright, hold on. This one's heavy, guys. So this is a 4-pack. It's a 4-pack from Brothers Fireworks. So first up we have Slam Dunk, 16 shots. Hat Trick, 16 shots. Grand Slam, 16 shots. And Touchdown, 16 shots. Extremely heavy, guys. These are 500 gram cakes, so that's four cakes at 500 grams. Extremely heavy. So that's going to be it for that box. And obviously, just like the past 2 weeks I've doing this, I'm going to go ahead and find videos for each one of these fireworks, and I'm going to post the link so you guys can see them for yourselves. Now this box over here, so this is Dominator Fireworks 24 by 3 air color bombs number 3. So basically what I did was I ordered 72 mortars, 24 red, 24 white, and 24 blue. So I absolutely plan on putting these on one huge cake with 72. My plan is to do like red, white, and blue, a larger mortar, and then red, white, and blue, and so on until all 72 are done. But that's it, guys. Let me know what you think about this week's haul, and I'm probably not going to order anything else through the mail, or shipping I should say. I'm going to probably wait until the tents open up in town here. Usually we have 3 different tents. It's usually like TNT, Southern Boom, and Mad Fireworks. So I think I might just wait and see what they have to offer when they come to town. And other than that, I think I'm pretty much about done. I'm definitely done with ordering fireworks. So that's it. I'm going to go ahead and end the video here, guys. Leave me a like, comments, subscribe to the channel. I appreciate everything you guys have been doing with the interaction and all that stuff. And that's about it, guys. So as always, stay safe, and hope to see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.